Good morning, it's Big D here, Flapjack and Beans. Welcome back to the little channel. I'd like to start to say thank you for the subscribers. I've reached over 2,000 now, which is nice. But I can still do, anybody who hasn't subscribed to subscribe and like and post and all that rubbish, you know what it's like. And it's up to you, but it's all helps. Thanks for them who've done it anyway. Moving on, the Mighty Orange, the 1390. We're having some bar risers. Now, I've done a video before, but I'll do a little video on this one as well, which is that. It's alright, we've got Major Mo in the garage. That was the workshop alarm going off, Major Mo. Anyway, these are what we're fitting. I've done them before. I'll put another link up and show you. But I just thought I'd show you these. These are the SW Moteg foot pegs, which they're slightly bigger. I think they're about 5mm lower, not a lot, but they're a bigger platform. And again, you can remove the rubbers like I do. I just think they're better on bike. I liked them on my last bike, and so we've refitted them. No, well, not refitted, these are new ones, but we put them on again. So that's what they are. So moving on, there's Major Mo. Say good morning, Major Mo.
Morning.
Major Mo's here, bless him. And these are what we're doing, as I said. These are from Germany. The link will be on the channel. And we like them. We bought, Mick's got some, Mo's got some, and I've got some for the new 1390s. But as I say, I had them on the 1290 and they seem to work pretty well. I'll just show you what's inside. So on the opening up, you get the, obviously you get the details of the company there, look, which is very nice. You get the product that you're buying, fitment, which is very good. So you get that, and then you get the actual doofers. Now these are higher and more back. I think, if I remember, I think they're 19mm higher. I don't know. I'll look at that in a minute and tell you the truth. Yeah, but you get they even come these with the black set screws. Look, the Allen screws are black, so they look really good when they're on the bike. So you get your 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you get your beautiful finished CNC units there. And I'll just tell you what dimensions they are in a minute. Just hang on. 4 bolts here, look. Put some across your tank so you don't scuff it. Do we need some tape, Mo?
Well, I've got it's in the middle of that one. Going, that's in the centre.
We just remove the bar slightly there, look. Gently Bentley, watch your flake fluid. Then we get these masterpieces here. Mo gets 4 new bolts. And he gets one of these. He's coughing well. Not as good as me though.
Not in turn them round.
Yeah. You ain't got to undo that.
Oh, fucking hell.
No, just goes in there like that. Yeah, bolts go on.
Oh, fucking hell, I thought that.
Oh.
Not in.
Yeah, so it is an easy job, you see. You just put them there. Put your original bolts back like Molly's doing and I'm doing here now. Torque them up. Go ahead. Right, what torque do we need, Mel? Do you know?
No.
Oh, better find that out then. Right, just moving back, we put the clamps on here, and these are going to be torqued up now to 20 Newton meters, and you torque them.
Go in the back side first.
Yeah, the back side first.
Got
Major Mo knows, and look at this, we've got the, just show them this torque wrench, Mo. Hey, professional equipment or what?
yeah.
So we went to torque them to 20 newtons.
Got him over the
Yeah.
wheel steady.
Yeah, hold it, Mo.
Oh, we've got in the front of the wheel.
Hang on, I'm trying to hold the wheel for Mo. Get my legs around it. There you go. Over to the next set. I'll put a dab of 243 Loctite on here, by the way. I'll have to stop that, Mo, because YouTube will kill me. So moving on, you put your clamps on. There's a little centre punch.
Hang on, hang on.
That's it there.
And then we're just lining the bars where they want to be.
We'll hold it
Can
there.
we hold it there, Mo?
Chris has come. Say hello to the channel, Chris.
Hello to the channel.
So here we are again. Mo was a bit grumpy this morning. I don't think he got leg over last night.
Fucking hell, I've had it for past 15 years.
Good old Mo.
What, and is that?
I've just held it where you said, Mo.
What, and is that it? That go when it's tight now. But,
Is that right?
yeah. It's in the middle.
In the middle?
Yeah.
That's what you're looking at.
Yeah. But in tighten them up.
Right, now you talk these up. What are we talking these up to, Mo?
But,
Have you done it-
23
have
or
you done it
20?
with 1390 middle. Is that what you would?
yeah,
Yeah, and that sticker.
That's go in the middle. And
Yeah.
that's got to be set at no.
Oh, right.
You see those set at naught, look there, can you see?
Well, I didn't know. I just
There,
told
look.
you what you said, but
20 or 23, Mo. Hey? KTM said 20 and this firm said 23.
Yeah.
23, Mo.
23?
Yeah, do it 23.
what to theirs?
Yeah.
Oh, right, yeah.
Oh, fucking hell.
So we're going at 23. Here we go, Mo. Major Mo's going in again now for the top.
Have you tried these?
Oh, not yet, no.
Oh, I'd have been on it, man.
Yeah, go on.
Try it out.
Oh,
Hang
go
on.
on.
Oh,
Hold the bar.
yeah, I'll do it.
Come. Quite tight, them, aren't they?
Yeah.
Wow, that's on from thee to eternity.
Oh, wheel with your legs.
How are we doing?
You're not there. Ah, it's tight, that, isn't it?
Yeah. Go in, that's bottoming now. Go in.
Yeah.
Sounds like a robin hunt nest, Mo.
Yeah.
It's aluminium though, isn't it?
Yeah.
It moves more than metal, doesn't it? Aluminium. What sequence? What sequence?
Back then front.
Yeah.
Eat, Mo. Final check.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, there they are.
Lovely.
There we have it. Mr. Bar Risers. Oops.
Oh, now you need to go on it.
Yeah.
Oh, and is that my tea?
Yeah.
It's very easy to get on.
Yeah. It's right.
Oh, this is a better position,
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
Isn't it?
Got in, it's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it a good position, that, Chris?
Yeah.
Right.
This is a lot better, this. This is a lot better than other one.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Why, what makes you say that?
Yeah, I don't know, it feels better. Because before that thing was sticking in your arse there.
Oh, got, yeah.
No, the narrowed seat,
Nah.
the front of the
And
seat's
this-
been narrowed.
Has it?
Yeah, so you get your legs down easier.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's better that.
Yeah. Can you got in slide the brake on? Go in, do you pick your foot up? Go in, can you slide it on?
How do you mean?
The brake.
Got in, if you got in there, can you slide your foot over?
Can you just brake now?
Yeah. Go and don't pick your foot up. I like to slide it on.
Yeah, I don't
Oh,
know.
straight across like that.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, you can, yeah. On these pegs.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But your boots will be bigger, won't they,
Yeah.
than trainers?
Got, yeah. Yeah.
So,
I've
this is
got-
the finished item, just to show you how nice it all looks. You can see here, look. You come across the bars, they're set to 0, you can see on your gauge there. Tightened up to 23 newtons.
So,
Some, in their book, it tells you to put the black bolts in
Where-
here.
where's button for changing gear then? That it?
Oh, got, yeah. You
So how do you do
change
it then?
gear there. You can change gear there.
Or you can change gear
So
here.
you can. So you still got a. So
Yeah.
So that's the part number I'm just showing you there in case you want to order these risers. Here's the mighty 1390. There she is. Ready for a ride tomorrow with the foot pegs, handlebar risers and everything else. Whatever floats your boat. I'm going to try GoPro on here. It's a bit difficult because although you've got no clutch, you ain't got much mounting area for GoPro stuff like I use, because I've got my quad lock here. I have to have that here, and I can't work with things with my right hand at all. Can't get into that in my head, and you're letting go at throttle and fanning around, and so I have it all on this side. But I'm going to try it on this mount here, magnetic mount, see what captures what it's like. Anyway, so there she is. They're a well-made bike, I've got to give them that. Very well-made bike. Trust me. Okay, so catch you later.